Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can upgrade your Collect account. Maybe you want to upgrade your Collect account so that you can have a better space or better storage. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can upgrade your account to your premium account in Collect. Please check the video description and I'll try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Collect application. Once you open your Collect application, you will see these options below. All items, boards, sort later, and account. For these tutorials, you simply need to tap on this account. Once you are in this page, as you can see in here, you have 5 gig only to use. And then in here, you'll see this Upgrade to Pro. Simply tap on this Upgrade to Pro. And then in here you have two options. It's either monthly or yearly. And as you can see, you can cancel it anytime. So upgrading to Collect Pro. Wherever inspiration strikes, you can save and share all your ideas from the Collect app or right in your browser. So to upgrade your account, simply tap on what you want. For this example, I'll tap on this monthly. And then in here, you will just simply need to tap on the subscribe button and then it will be automatically success. There you go. If you wanted to know how to upgrade to Pro your account and Collect, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to upgrade your account and Collect, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.